Hello students, welcome to another class, another lesson on some basic concept of chemistry. Today topic is properties of matter from the NCERT Chemistry textbook for 11th class. I am Satish Netam and today we are going to dive into properties of matter, where we will see the different properties of matter. We will see physical properties about and the chemical properties. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest lesson. Get started. So let's start with the introduction of properties of matter. All substances, we know that all substances have unique properties that can be classified as a physical or chemical. In simple, we can classify all the substances properties into two categories, whether it's a physical properties or it is in chemical properties. So the physical properties can be observed or measured without changing the identity or composition of the substances. We already know that if we already know that the physical properties can be measured easily by without changing any identity of substances. Let's see physical properties. Physical properties include color, order, melting point, boiling point, and density. So these are the physical properties of substance. These properties can be measured or observed without causing a chemical change in the substance. So we can say that if we want to measure the physical properties of substance, we don't have to change their identity, or we don't require any chemical changes to observe their to observe or measure their physical properties. Next is chemical properties. Chemical properties describe how a substance reacts with other substances. In simple word, in a chemical properties, chemical properties describe or tell us that how the substances, how these substances are react with the other substances to form new compounds sometime, or for the stability. For example of including combustibility, reactivity with acid and base, and characteristic reaction of different substances. So these are the example of chemical properties, and where the physical properties are color, order, melting point, boiling point, and density. So let's the next important question is next important thing is how we can measure the physical properties, because we don't one important point here is we don't need any chemical change in our substance. So let's see how the chemists are measured these properties. Physical property, the chemists use careful measurement and experimentation to determine physical properties. So we can say that to measure the physical properties, we have to careful measure and experiment their careful measurement. We have to do careful measurement and experimentation to understand its substance properties. The knowledge of physical properties help chemists to describe, interpret, and predict the behavior of substance. So in simple word, if we want to understand the behavior of substance, we have to know if we have to predict the substances properties, or if we want to describe their if we want to describe their other properties or other things related to substances, then we have to need knowledge about substances behavior. So we can say the physical properties help us describe of substances, interpret and predict their behavior of substances. if we know the physical properties of any substance, we can easily say that this substance will be converted into this when it will go through this reaction, or if we react with these other substances, it will be formed this compound. So these are the some prediction. This prediction can be made based on our physical knowledge of substances physical properties. Let's see the important points related to this slide. Every substances, first one is every substances has unique properties and can be classified as a physical or chemical. The physical properties can be observed or measured without changing any substance's identity or composition. And chemical properties describe how substances react with the other substances and often require a chemical change to observe. We are in physical properties observation, it's not required any chemical change or any changing in the substance identity or composition. But in a chemical property, if you want to measure the chemical properties of any substance, it require chemical change to observe. Measurement and understanding of physical and chemical properties are essential for studying and predicting the behavior of substance. To predict the behavior of substance, we have to know about their properties, like if it can be physical properties or it may be of chemical properties. So we can say that to predict the behavior of any substances, we have to know about their properties, substances properties. So this was all about properties of matter, and I hope you understand that why the properties matter properties are important. And that is all for today's lesson. I hope you find it helpful and that it clarify your understanding of properties of matter. If you have any question or need further explanation, feel free to leave them in comment section, and don't forget to hit like button and share this video with your friends who might be get help. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.